Today we're introducing our plugin, Display Product Properties in the Listing and Sort, char Categorize plus Product Detail page. Normally, details such as material, size, or color are only shown on the product detail page. With this plugin, however, these properties are displayed directly in the product listing. This means visitors can already see which attributes a product has right from the overview, without needing to open the detail page. In addition, properties can be organized into blocks and then displayed in different variations. This gives you full flexibility in how and where the properties are shown within the product box. Of course, this doesn't only apply to the listing, but also to the product detail page. There, the output of properties can be integrated via a dedicated CMS block in the shopping experiences, making it freely and flexibly placeable. You can also display different property groups in a variety of presentation styles, perfectly adapting the layout to your products. Another highlight is the option to emphasize property groups with colors.